Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to the summer camp of the Black Hole for this year, 2024. We have a full 4 weeks of fun activities and learning planned for you. So let's first introduce ourselves. Mera naam Sadia hai, and I'm one of the organizers of this camp. This is Dr. Nayyar and Shahryar. और हम आपकी ओपनिंग सेशन कंडक्ट करेंगे, लेकिन हमारी पूरी टीम है जिससे हम आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे एज वी गो ऑन. ठीक. सो let's first start with learning more about each other. You are here for 4 weeks, and I hope you will make a lot of friends and have a lot of fun and come back again for the winter camp, which will be in December. Okay. So first, I would like all of you to introduce yourselves. So I'll go around with the mic, and what we would like to know is who you are, which class you're in, and what are your interests. कि आप क्या चीज शौक से करते हैं?
My name is Adarsh. I've been in Black Hole for I've been in Black Hole almost 3 times. I was in 6th grade, but now I moved up to 7th, and my school is ICAS.
He knows everything.
He's a veteran.
Have you learned more?
Yes.
आप बताओ.
Walking encyclopedia.
बड़े अटेंड किए ना यहाँ पे. कौन सी चीज सबसे पसंद है? कहानियाँ. चलो याद करके बताओ.
Pass the mic.
My name is Ikra and I read in grade 8. I love to do crafting and drawing.
My name is Namashtaq and I am in grade 10th, and I love painting. I am SGG 11 to Islamabad.
Have lots of art classes planned for you, and I'll introduce you to your art teacher also.
My name is Azizur Rahman. I am in grade 2nd year and I read in G11 2 boys college, one boys college, and I like to play games a lot.
My name is Ashisa and I'm in grade 4. I like painting, reading, and arts. My name is Sharmin Zara. I'm in grade 4 and my school name is Bess. I like sketching, and martial arts and doing martial arts. My name is Abir and I study in grade 7th, and my hobby is to do science experiments and painting and stuff like that.
Assalamu alaikum. I love reading. My name is Minhaj. I study in Kaldunia High School. I love reading and playing video games.
Have you been to our science lab?
Yes, many times.
My name is Amar. I'm going to grade 8 and I like football.
My name is Ilaf Kiran Ahmed and I am in grade 4th and I like to read. My name is Zainab and I'm from Hyderabad, Sindh, and I like to drawing and painting.
So you're here on vacation?
Yes.
Okay.
I am Madiha Samu. I'm also from Hyderabad, Sindh, and I'm here for my vacations. And I'm actually here for this camp. Actually, I heard for this camp, so this is why I joined this camp. And yeah, and I love to play sports, especially badminton and volleyball. Actually, my sister, she attended a class which was Sir Muzammil. Yeah.
My name is Kavita and I go to 6th grade in Beacon House, the school that's right opposite Black Hole. I came here once with my class and we did science experiments. and I like to do painting. And currently, right now, I'm reading the Harry Potter collection, and I really love it.
He's the first girl who says, the first kid who said, I love thinking. Oh, what a lovely thing. You know, I wish people would think more. So let's give her a. She said thinking.
I think you said reading.
No, she said I love thinking.
You said that.
My dear is wishful thinking.
Hello, my name is Mohammad Fahad. I am in IGCSE 1 and I like football.
Hello, my name is Ibrahim, Mohammed Ibrahim, and I like to play Roblox like a video game, and I like to get sports, any sports, I mean. Class? 2. My name is Ayan Asif and I am in grade 6 and I like to play cricket. Hi, my name is Zinia. I'm in grade 1 and I like doing arts and crafts. My name is Aiza and I'm in grade 7 and I like dancing. Assalamualaikum. My name is Mubashra Niaz. I'm in 7 and I like doing sketching.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Muiz Mufti and I'm in 4 class and I'm in 5 class and my favorite hobby is to do art.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Musa. I'm in class 5 in the city school and I like to play football. My name is Arham and I am also in class 5 and I love to play cricket.
Myself, Farim Fatma, and I am 6th grader, and I love activities related to science and stuff like that.
My name is Khubaib Rizwan and I am learning class 5 and I am interested in physics, science and maths and art and creative.
That is great.
My name's Mohsen and I like playing football.
My name is Ahmad Hassan and I'm going to start 10th grade in August. My interests include nature, wildlife and history.
My name is Arfa Shazeen. I'm in 7th grade and I like music. My name is Yashfa Maheen. I'm in IGCSE 2 and I like reading Urdu books.
My name is Amelia and I'm also a bookworm and I also love to play football.
My name is Mohammed Maiza. I use my brain to use creativity.
What? What? Huh? Why are you? Why are you looking at
क्या कह रहे हो?
that, huh? Why are you making face?
My name is Hania from grade 2 and my favorite hobby is swimming.
Swimming, okay. Right. So are we done with the introductions? Everyone knows everyone else, and I hope you will make lots of friends here. Next, हम
बताइए कि आप में से पहले कितने So, 10 लोगों ने पहले अटेंड किया है, हैं? और 10 और 11 बल्कि मेरे ख्याल में एक हाथ वो पीछे भी है, तो 11 लोगों ने अटेंड किया है पहले। और क्या हैं कितने? मेरे ख्याल में इस वक्त 30 के करीब है ना?
We have a fair amount of newcomers this time, which is nice.
नए लोग हैं काफ़ी हैं.
You're raising your hand back there. Do you want to say something? No? Acha. Okay. Now we are going to give you an introduction of what is in store for you, all the different activities that we have planned for you, and I'm going to introduce you to our team who are going to help conduct this camp. ठीक है? Okay, so this is where we are at right now at the introduction. Then we have a Gupshup session with Parvez. And Parvez is right here. And he will do some fun Gupshup with you. So I have colored each type of session that we have differently. Then Shahryar ka hai? Shahryar will give you an introduction to the science lab, and we've called it the project lab this time because we have designed very interesting small projects that you will do. So you will know how to deal with a scientific problem, how to construct things, how to do experiments, and learn science in a fun way. And then the last thing for today is a music class with our music teacher here, Faisal. Okay. Then this time we have planned a debating session, but only for the older ones among you, so 13 and above. And Misha, would you come here, please? Misha will be conducting the debating sessions, and she will also be helping us in the science lab. Okay, then the next one is the project lab, but this is for older students. So we have divided you in 2 age groups because last time we got the feedback that students didn't like the same kind of activities for the very young and the older ones among you. So this time there are some activities that are common for all of you. And then there are some where we have divided you among 2 age groups. So 10, 11, 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? So यहाँ जहाँ पे 2 and 3 लिखा है, that's for the older age group. At that time, the younger ones will be doing a music class. Then we have planned different types of science talks for you, which will be at a very, very basic and fun level. We have origami sessions, which will also be conducted by Shahryar and Alam, who's back there. Alam will also be helping us in the science labs. I will teach the older ones among you German. So be prepared for that. And German is a very easy language, and I hope that you'll be able to pick up quite a lot. So we have some German classes, then we have story reading. There's this beautiful little book called The Little Prince. How many of you have read it? We have 1 here, 2, 3. Wonderful. And the others haven't, so Shahryar will introduce you to that book, and you can also do it pictorially because that is available on the web. There's some very beautiful drawings in there, which you can also do with our art teacher and tell you the story, and then you can have a discussion around that. The lab in green is for the younger groups. Then Dr. Nayyar, who was here, he will conduct some very interesting puzzles with you, which are mind games. They'll help you think faster, think critically. We have debating clubs, and then we have arts, crafts, and drawing with Hania. Would you please come forward? So here is your art teacher for all the art lovers in this audience. Okay, so there are lots and lots of art lovers here, and Hania has planned some very interesting things for you. But if there's anything in particular that you would like to do, then you can always tell her. So we would like कि आप जो camp के दौरान भी you keep giving your feedback, you know, because we have 4 weeks this time and we have the flexibility to change things. Winter camp 2 हफ्तों का होता है तो इसमें हमारे पास इतनी गुंजाइश नहीं होती. But if you like something, you want more of that or less of something, then we can always manage that within constraints, of course. So this is generally the plan, and of course you have theatre classes. तो theatre आप लोग जो पहले भी आए हैं यहाँ आप लोग theatre classes कर चुके हैं. This is a lot of fun. ये वाला जो theatre group है, they don't do scripted theatre, यानी आपके पास कोई script है और उससे आप drama कर रहे हैं. They do what is called improvisational theatre. So they give you a situation and you make the play there and then. And that is quite a lot of fun. And of course, then we have movies for you every week. So those are usually on Friday where you can relax and end your week. So this is just a sample of the activities that you will be doing. Mostly they will be repeated every week with a little variations. We have some people coming in from outside जो आपको documentaries दिखाएंगे और उस पे आप discussion कर सकते हैं. And so do we have anything new here? No, it's mostly the same. हाँ, movie critique. तो यहाँ पे हम we'll show you some small animated clips and you can have a discussion around that with Shama. Shama is not here today? Acha. Okay. So हाँ, science lab में we have, can our science lab team please come forward? So this is Shahryar, Maheen, Misha and Wahid, myself and of course Alam back there. हम आपकी lab के projects में आपको assist करेंगे. ठीक, और I think that is pretty much it. Can we go to, and we have some yoga and dance also for the dance lovers here. Okay. Can we go to the next week, please? Here we have a storytelling session and also a cartoon drawing session. So you learn how to draw cartoons, but I think that is next week. Yeah, okay. So that's pretty much the same. यहाँ पे we'll have to close down for 2 days because of the Muharram holidays on 16th and 17th July. And finally, can we come to week 4? Okay. So the new thing here is the cartoon drawing session with Ravish. This has been confirmed, so you can ignore all these question marks. There will be an art therapy session also. And the last day, what you'll be doing is you will be presenting your projects जो आपने science lab में किए. ठीक है? So you'll make a small presentation about what you did and you will present that on the second last day of the camp. Then on the last day, we will have a small debating competition for those debaters who Misha will be training during this camp. And we'll have a small talent show for anyone who wants to participate. So if you like to dance, you can come and dance here. If you are good at singing, then you can come and sing. It's all up to you. So this will be a fun session. And then we'll have a closing ceremony in which we will get feedback from you, what you liked, what you didn't like, what you would like to be different next time. And each of you will get a small certificate. And as usual, we'll end with a pizza party. Okay. So is there anything else that you would like to know or any questions?
What flavor of pizza?
It's up to them. It's up to them. And he's a vegetarian, so it won't be vegetarian. These kids love meat. ठीक है? So, sorry? हाँ, यहाँ पे we have, so since जो हमारी divided activities हैं, उसमें कुछ activities basement में होंगी, यहाँ पे auditorium में, and some activities will be in the science lab above. Upstairs, okay, on the first floor. But I would request all of you to, when you're switching, ठीक है, ये नीचे से ऊपर जा रहे हो, ऊपर से नीचे आ रहे हो, क्योंकि वो आप लोग को करना होगा. एंड प्लीज बी वेरी क्वाइट बिकॉज देयर इज अ लाइब्रेरी ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर एंड वी डोंट वांट टू डिस्टर्ब दोज पीपल. ओके. एंड फाइनली एनीवन अमंग द टीम आपको कुछ कहना? आलम, डिसिप्लिन. अच्छा, Alam is the disciplinarian here. So please do not litter. Take care of the place. आपकी जगह है. You'll come here again. आप लोगों को आदत होती है writing on desks. Do not do that. There's a dustbin here. Do not litter. You will go out, have your break में आपको कोई snacks वगैरह लेने हैं, वो आप ला सकते हैं. लेकिन please be sure to keep the place clean. Do not make a noise. And I think that's pretty much it. So this is a friendly environment. Make as many friends as you want, as you can. And because you'll meet them again in the winter camp as well. Theek? Haan.
On Monday, the movie time, the document Elephant Whispers, I have already seen that in the Black Hole. So when yes.
यहाँ तुमने नहीं देखा है?
I remember seeing it here.
It must be something else. You haven't shown it here. When did you?
अच्छा, तो फिर
Last summer camp.
कह रहे last summer camp में दिखाई है, नहीं दिखाई है.
I don't think so.
कुछ और दिखाया होगा.
Anyway, you can see, if you think you've seen it, then you can go upstairs and work in the project lab, work on your project. Or you can watch it again. ठीक. और किसी ने देखी है Elephant Whispers? किसी ने नहीं देखी ना? तो ये बहुत मज़े की मूवी है and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. और कुछ? We are done. Would you like to say something? No? Okay. ठीक. Okay, so then we are ready for the next session. हाँ, हाँ. माइक में हाँ.
तो उनको कंबाइन नहीं कर सकते हैं?
किस चीज को?
वो डांस एंड सिंग कंबाइन.
That is actually the singing class. Your music teacher will tell you it's about a little about classical singing. You also learn maybe how to play the guitar or some other instrument. और जो dance और singing हम combine कर रहे हैं ना, that is in the yoga and dance class. वहाँ पे we'll combine the music class will be separate and the dancing and singing will be in the yoga class. ठीक है? Okay. Any other question? Right, then we are done and हाँ. 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 So यहाँ पे let me just explain this notation a little bit. 1, 2, 3 is beginner level, intermediate and advanced. Okay. Beginner level, typically we would think 10, 11-year-olds. Okay. Intermediate will be 12, 13, 14, 12 and 13. And advanced is 14, 15, 16. Right. But if any of you feel like this activity is for everyone, this activity is for everyone. Here, for example, the German activity is for the advanced level and intermediate, and the story reading is for the beginner level. Okay? But if you feel that you would like to swap, then you need to talk to one of us and we'll have to see how to manage that. Because we don't want one session to be completely empty and the other session to be overcrowded. ठीक तो इसमें but you do have an option. There are certain things in which you do not have an option, which is the lab, the puzzles, the debating, for example. But here, for example, you can swap. Here again, this is also for beginner levels. This activity is for everyone. The A here means the auditorium, which is downstairs, and the L is the science lab, which is upstairs. So welcome again, and I hope you have a great time here.